Hey everyone, welcome back to English Word Chat. I'm Rachel, and today we're talking about a beautiful word, savor.
Hi, I'm Tyler. Rachel, I love this word. It's one of those words that makes you slow down just saying it.
Exactly, so savor means to enjoy something completely, taking your time with it. It comes from the Latin word sapor, which means to taste.
Right, and while we often use it with food, you can savor any experience. Like, I'm going to savor every moment of my vacation.
Perfect example, it's about being present and mindful. Another one, she savored her morning coffee while watching the sunrise.
I like that. Here's mine. After years of hard work, he finally savored the taste of success. See, not just about food.
Beautiful. The key idea is really appreciating something, not rushing through it. It's the opposite of gulping down your lunch in 5 minutes.
Ha, guilty as charged sometimes, but Savor reminds us to slow down and actually enjoy life's good moments.
Absolutely. So, to recap, savor means to enjoy something slowly and completely, whether it's food, an experience, or a feeling.
Try using it this week. Thanks for listening, everyone. Until next time, savor your English learning journey.